Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Steam error E84. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So the first thing that you can do to fix this problem is to change your password. So for you to do that, launch the Steam application on your device. Then type your account name. Then click on Help, I can't sign in. Then click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now you need to enter your email address or your phone number and verify that you are not a robot. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do this real quick. Oh, I did it wrong. So this is where I'm going to be confused because I don't know what to click. So now click on the search button, then select email and account verification code to your email address. Now check your email address or your email, then click on resume recovery. So there, click on reset my password. So just go ahead and select any of that option. Okay. So check your text message because I already received mine. There. So now what you need to do is just go ahead and wait until you can change your password. Okay. So once you've done that, just go ahead and sign in your Steam account and you should be able to, or that should fix the problem. Okay. But if the problem hasn't been fixed, what you can also do is to press the Windows button on your keyboard and press R. So you should see this window right here or tab key. So by the way, this is the second method that you can do. So now click, type temp, click on OK. Okay, so now what you can do is just go ahead and delete all of this. There. Okay. So let's just wait for this. And then now once you see this tab, just go ahead and click on skip. There. So again, open your Steam account and that should also help you to fix the problem. And if it doesn't work, what you can do is to set time automatically. So to do that, go to your settings. Now click on time and language. Now date and time. And you need to make sure that you toggle the switch on for set time automatically. Okay? So once you've done that, what you need to do is to just go ahead and exit on that tab and try again on opening your Steam account. And if those step doesn't still work or doesn't still fix the problem, don't worry because you still have two methods that you can do. So for the fourth one, you need to add launch parameter on your Steam. So to do that, right click on your Steam application, select properties, then here on target, what you need to do is to type this, so space, dash, login, space again, then dash, no reaction login. Now click on apply and OK. Okay, so that should also help you to fix the problem. If those four steps doesn't still work or doesn't still fix the problem, your last resort is to restart your computer. Because sometimes a simple restart of your device can fix temporary issue. Okay? So just go ahead and restart your computer, and once it is done restarting, just go ahead and try opening your Steam account. Okay? And those are the methods that you can do to fix Steam error E87. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!